simple prompt tricks that you can literally start using right now. They are actually fun to play with. So let's jump in. Future Archaeologist. This one is my favorite because it completely changes your perspective. Ask AI to pretend it is in the future, looking back at today. So instead of asking what will people say about how we used AI in 2025, you ask, you are a historian in 2124. What will people say about how we used AI in 2025? What this does is remove all your biases and give you a long-term view. AI will often reveal patterns or warnings that you would never notice when you are stuck in the present moment. Try this with your startup idea, your lifestyle choices, tech predictions, anything where you need to zoom out and see the bigger picture. Negative space prompt. Alright, so instead of asking what to do, ask what not to do. Normal prompt would be how do I grow on LinkedIn? But a creative prompt would be what are 5 things that will definitely make me fail on LinkedIn? Honestly, it is way easier to spot what is wrong than what is right. You catch your blind spots faster this way. Use this for health tips. What should I not eat when I'm trying to sleep better? Or for your work tips. What habits absolutely ruin productivity? Or some relationship tips. What should I not ask during an argument? It is like a mental shortcut to avoid the dumb mistakes before you even make them. This is the last one, a brutal one but so useful. Ask AI to actively try to break your idea on purpose. Like ask GPT that you are trying to make my app fail, what would you do? And GPT will reply something like this. Now you know exactly what not to do. AI just became your enemy for a second, showing you all your weak spots before real life does. Use this for business pitches, project plans, resumes, portfolios, anything where you need to stress test your idea before it goes out into the world. So next time you open ChatGPT, don't just ask for answers. Play with it, challenge it, add weird rules, travel through time, ask the wrong questions because that is where the magic really happens. Try one of these tricks today and honestly drop your favorite prompt in the comments below. I'll make sure that I'll feature the most creative ones in my next video. See you then.